Alright, Gertie, there's another fine mess you got me into.
Our dining room is right beside this great view.
Alright, as you can probably tell, we already made it home. We're going to get some work done on the exterior, Gertie. In the meantime, we're going to give you a tour of the interior. Oh yeah, we've got one more pet. So what do? We're going to introduce you to him too.
All we gotta do is hustle. All we gotta do is grind. Now they on their own. All they gotta do is shine. For more than 30 years. Now I'm people climb. Oh, we on the road. It's just me and mine.
Alright, here's how we make a 1-minute iced espresso. We got espresso beans ground up. You ready? Pack them down. Espresso maker. Put your shot that's there. And take caramel flavor. Right at the bottom of the cup and give a swirl as you work your way out towards the rim of the cup. And take a scoop of ice. Maybe 2. Then you're gonna take the first espresso shot. Drop that in. Then you want to take your second espresso shot. Drop that in. Top it off with whipped cream. And there you go.
Look at me, look at me, can't stop. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. OMG, I don't get pressed. Look at me. I've been on set since 17. I've been on set, on settling. I'm going numb, amphetamine. I don't do drugs, I'm not a fiend. Push to the edge, no boundary. About 2 or 3 in these leather jeans.
Backyard is now this right here. So you got Gerty right here.
Alright, getting the ribeyes going here. Got them on, just pull them off the grill.